Hey, I'm Ryan Paneer with Ironwood Outfit, and welcome to a new series I am doing weekly called 2-Minute Tuesdays. Now, these are short videos that are just going to give you a tip or a trick that I have learned along the way of being in construction most of my entire life, or as a professional woodworker and blacksmith over the last 5 or 6 years. There are so many things that I've learned, and I thought this would be a cool way to just show you little things. Our first tip, because I don't want to take a ton of time because I've already wasted like 20 seconds in the intro, it's really simple. It's when you are trying to make a bunch of pieces and you need them all to be the same length. You need consistency in that piece. Now, what most people will do is they take a measurement on each individual board. So they take this board, they measure it out 53.5. So now, obviously, I take this board, I measure this out, I mark 53.5. But by far, the better way to do it, the faster way to do it, and the more accurate way to do it, especially if you have a lot to mark, take both your boards, you lay them on top of each other, take the ends, flush them up with each other, and you know how to do that. You can feel that when they're flush. Hold them together. Now just take a pencil, your pen, a marking knife, whatever it is that you're using depending on the accuracy that you want. Scribe that line and you are absolutely done. There's your mark. It's clear. It will be the same length as this one. And if you've got 20 of these pieces to cut, instead of marking each one by one with the measuring tape, you can mark with this, so you'll get the exact same length as this. And if you're marking thin pieces like this, little bonus tip, bundle them together and cut them all at the same time on the chop saw, the miter saw, the table saw, whatever. Cut as many as your blade will allow you to. I hope this is helpful, and I hope to see you next time on the next 2-Minute Tuesday.